MultiClean is proud to introduce new and innovative dispensing options for the Multi-Task Dispensing System. The patented Multi-Task system is the world's most flexible dispensing system. In this short video, you will learn about two new point-of-use dispensing options for the Multi-Task system concentrates. Point-of-use dispensing goes beyond traditional dispensing of concentrates. Rather than dispensing into secondary containers to be used later for cleaning, point-of-use dispensing systems apply properly diluted product directly to the surfaces to be cleaned. Touchless cleaning systems for restrooms are an example of point-of-use dispensing systems. Sometimes a simple low-cost method can be used that works just as effectively. Take institutional showers that may be found in schools or other facilities. Applying a foaming cleaner directly to shower walls can make cleaning easier and more effective. The Multi-Task U-Foamer is a simple point-of-use dispensing gun that easily connects to a multi-task foaming cleaner such as No. 4 Foamy Mac. The U-Foamer dispenses properly diluted foamy mac directly onto wall surfaces. The clinging foam helps disperse soap scum, hard water scale, and body oils. After a short contact time and light agitation if needed, a simple flip of the lever switches to a clean water rinse. Now, let's think about applications where properly diluted cleaner without foam might be desirable. The U-Spray gun applies properly diluted multi-task concentrates directly to the surfaces to be cleaned, but without foam. Let's start with some simple outdoor examples. Cleaning the side of buildings containing glass can be done quickly and easily by connecting a U-Spray gun to a container of BioBrite glass and surface cleaner. How about cleaning signage or equipment outdoors using BioTough cleaner and degreaser? These bio-preferred products are made from U.S.-grown agricultural feedstocks, making the use outdoors less harmful to the environment. What about spraying out dumpsters, washing grocery carts, and wheelchairs? The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Simplicity is the key with the U-Foam or U-Spray guns. All multi-task concentrates have built-in metering tips, ensuring the right dilution is achieved each and every time. To begin using a U-Foamer or sprayer, simply connect the device to the appropriate multi-task concentrates and attach a garden hose. Turn the water on, then flip the gray colored water valve to the open position to begin dispensing. The clean rinse lever allows a simple change from applying cleaner to a water rinse. These portable point-of-use dispensing devices are easy to use and very inexpensive.